Hey there, it's Dan again, and today I'm showing you this, the Trigger Release Chicken Dispenser. Yay! So, why would you use this? That is a good question. So as you can see, there's a little barrier on the bottom of this block, yeah? And the chicken is stored in it, and what happens is it comes around here, it can place the chicken down. If we go slowly here, it'll push it down, and then it'll push forwards against the wall, which is the book in this case, and it will actually release the chicken onto the mat, which you then can take. It can lift it up and go away, right? Clever. And then you can use the actual bar later on. Great, right? So here's how it works. You just push it in, close it like that. You put on a little gear or something, something quite small to keep the base in when it's upright, like so. And then you take off the top. You chuck in your chicken, pop, and then you put the top back on again. Ta-da! Right, and then what happens? If you see here, when you push against the wall, it will come. Push in and the chicken will fall through the hole. See? And then you can reverse, lift up, and the chicken is dispensed. Later on you can bring it down again and then use the bars to push other things on the map. So yeah, that's about it. I only took about 1.8 gigabytes of movies today, and like none of them got into the cut because all of these here were in production process of the program. So before, it took a lot of time from about 10-11 to 1 o'clock to perfect the program, but once you have it perfected, you know, it's spot on. So yeah, it's a great idea. I'm pretty proud of myself for coming up with it. I know it's pretty simple. I think it's called Trigger Release or something like that, but yeah, the team love it, and hopefully we'll do quite well in the competition. See ya. It's done now. Let's go. Oh. Get these in place. Da, da, da.